How to install wall mount B range hood. To begin, first measure on your wall where you prefer the top part of the bottom of the range hood to sit. Grab the bracket with 2 open flaps, 3 screws, and 3 wall anchors. Place the bracket on the marked line and mark where the wall anchors and screws will fit. Next, use a power drill to drill in the holes and place the wall anchors inside. Use a mallet to secure the wall anchors inside the drilled holes. Place the bracket over the holes and secure the screws. Next, remove all tape and protective plastic from your range hood. Connect the flappers inside the range hood where the air will vent out and hook the range hood onto the bracket you just installed. Grab a tape ruler and mark with a pencil where the middle of the bracket is. Then, with a sturdier ruler, mark a longer vertical line to work from. Place the aluminum vent pipe atop the opening where the air vent will vent out. Grab the shorter bracket and connect it to the end of the chimney piece. If you are using a chimney extension, you will be using the longer bracket. Measure the length from the bottom of the chimney to where the hole at the top of the chimney meets the bracket. Then, place the ruler on top of the range hood piece already installed and mark on the wall the same measurement you took from the chimney. Use a sturdier ruler to mark a long horizontal line from that measurement. Place the bracket you just used on the chimney along the line and mark where the screws will be. Use your power drill again to create holes and insert and secure the wall anchors. Place the bracket over the holes and secure the 2 screws. Place the chimney atop the range hood, slide the top chimney up, and hook it onto the brackets. Use the smaller screws to secure the chimney in place. Lastly, clip on the oil tray, install the carbon filter, and insert the mesh filters. Akdy, let your home do more.